and never in last 15 years we have seen such kind of drought in our country. So may I propose to the government that it is very important and in need of the hour that the Honorable Prime Minister takes a meeting with all the 7 states who are suffering an unprecedented drought which they have ever faced in their own states. And that meeting has to be chaired immediately by the Prime Minister if he cannot visit these drought-affected states. The second point, sir, is that in Uttar Pradesh, especially in Bundelkhand, we have seen, because of severe drought, poor people are consuming rotis made of grass and sabzis made of weeds. And what we are seeing, sir, is that the ruling party over there is celebrating birthday parties and eating cakes. And the poor people are forced to eat rotis made of grass and sabzis made of weeds. It is really shameful, sir. And this is not me, sir, but a survey done by Mr. Yogendra Yadav under Swaraj Abhiyan says that out of 7 districts in UP, 80% of the household have decreased consumption of dal and milk for the small children. This is a very emergency situation, and I hope that the government will respond. I also like to ask the government. Yes, I know that is there. Yeah. So I also want to ask the Honorable Agriculture Minister to please find out that this man-made situation in Bundelkhand and also special package of 7,266 crore was given a drought relief in 2009. What has happened to that? Where has that money gone? Because it is the Government of India money. The fourth point, sir, in Manrega, if a state is declared drought, under Manrega, 150 days of work is entitled. But please find out that not even 100 days work is being given in any of the states. Not even 100 days of work is given. And also want to know that why is this government has brought a black name to the legacy of Vajpayee. The Antodaya scheme, this government has phased it out, especially when states are facing drought. You have issued executive order wherein no new Antodaya card can be given. You have made Aadhaar mandatory and you have freezed the whole coverage. Can you relax that? Your March 28 executive order issued by Department of Food and Public Distribution, please amend that or remove it, because things are very bad on the ground. Now coming to my state of Telangana, sir, already my state has spent 118 crores under SDRF. That is not enough, because SDRF, that is the much a state government can do. They have declared 231 mandals as drought affected, and in last 20 years Telangana has faced 18 years of drought, and that is why the state government is asking a central estimate of 2,514 crores. The government has under NDRF 5,690 crores. It is high time that, Telangana is given its rightful share under what my state is demanding, the 2,514 crores. And this is very much important because 134 crore is for only drinking water of Hyderabad city, sir. Lastly, sir, on Maharashtra, 15,000 villages have been declared as drought affected. In Marathwada, more than 1,500 farmers have committed suicide. The highest number being in Beed and Nanded and Aurangabad, every other places. I don't know what is the government doing. Why can't you call the national banks and tell them, for God's sake, give them new loans, restructure the new loans. If you have the power, loan maaf karo aap. Because 1,500 farmers have only committed suicide in Marathwada. And with the beef ban imposed on the state government, that poor farmer cannot even go and sell his cattle now. And even if you want to settle, there's no one to buy it. And also, can this government take a policy decision that they will not allow any more sugar mills in the dry area of Marathwada? Because having those sugar mills, they have eaten away all the groundwater. There's no drinking water. There is severe situation in Maharashtra, sir. And that is why 4,000 crore we are demanded by the Maharashtra government. Let them give it. Because under NDRF, you have 5,690 crores. And if need be, you have the money. You have the financial wherewithal. There is no point standing here and saying, oh, whatever is the need, we'll give you. It is high time that the Prime Minister should go there, visit these states, call a meeting in Delhi and tell the whole nation what exactly this government proposes to do to tie up such an it's a very emergency situation. It's a very grave. I hope that the government responds, sir. Thank you.
Why have you taken my right to dissent? Why cannot I give a speech in Karnataka? Why cannot I give a speech in Uttar Pradesh? And why is it that 22% of Muslims are in jail under trials? West Bengal 49%, Maharashtra 29%.